So underneath that tarp is probably 200, maybe more, pieces of pallet wood, 13 inches long, that we are going to apply on this wall here. And it'll look like other jobs we've done in the past. It's also prepared this area here, which is at the end of the wall, for where the steps are going to go. And those are the steps. They'll get flipped over because the other side's flat. And he'll use those 4x6s as the stringers. It's coming along. They got a lot done today. They filled in all the holes. Let me make this wide. They leveled this out. They filled in that hole over there, right there. They filled this in. I told him he's got to make it more level than that.
Yeah, it's got to be level. Got to put a level on it.
He could pull some of the stone from this side because it's way higher than over there, and bring it down here because this has got to have stone. So this is where he filled that corner spot, and it's not quite filled yet. And I really don't want him to take my stones away. So we'll see what he does. This is probably 3 feet deep he needs to fill. He'll take care of it. Might be hard to see this, but this is, let me show it to you on a side view. Kind of see how this drops down. Whatever the height is of that, 4 feet, the cement thing. And he'll put the steps there, so that will be awesome. He's also going to put a fence way down there, so nobody can go over. Not that we will, but if we ever rent this, we want to be safe. The other thing is, I don't know if you can tell, but it's way higher over here than over here. So he's going to have to pull some of this away because you got to pull on here and make it level for an RV. And we'll be closer to that side with the RV, so we have room to sit out over here. Anyway, this hasn't changed much, but it will. Little by little. So this is the back for the stairs. He's got one of the stringers. He's going to make another. And he put the posts up down there. And he's bringing the stone from over here over there. So we kind of sort of cut that tree up. I hope that's acceptable with a POA. That tree right there. I suppose we will find out. So it is coming together. Glad of that. They're using my steps right there. They're all hemlock. He's making sure they're all nice and level. Contractor got some stones, looks like crusher run, so it'll really make this stable. And he put it all along here, raised it up to the top step there, and brought it down here. He's gonna have to raise it a little there because that's too high of a step down. And he's gonna put a railing on this side too. But he got the fence put up, which is nice. So he's got the fence up, and we had split rail, and he put that on. So that looks good. Oh, I see how he did it. He went right into the posts.
Cut it off.
Nice. Yeah, he cut it so it doesn't look like split rail anymore, but it is. Kind of does. So this is nice. And we're going to have the RV here, so he's going to put down some clean stone here because this is kind of dirty. He'll put clean stone down here, and then we'll put a carpet down in front of the RV. But he put a really solid 4x6 in the back, because that is kind of treacherous on the other side down there. So it looks good. It's coming along. Just some clean stone, and I think we'll be good. And bring the RV over. We have power, so that's nice. Water, sewer, we're all good. Okay, so those boards, I ripped those from 2x6s, so they're about 2x3. Actually, it's not quite that, because that's not an actual 2x6 width. Anyway, I just put old motor oil on them to try to seal them from moisture. They will go on the bottom of the cement wall, and I'm going to put pallet wood on that. I'll point that out in a second. There's the cement wall, and those boards will go all along the bottom here, all the way to the end there. And then the pallet wood will lean against that on the bottom and then get glued on the top. The same process I used for doing all the walls at the river cabin. If you haven't looked at that, look at my playlist and go to River Cabin Build and you'll see it. So I'm going to kind of try to clean up this area a bit. And we're done with those 4x6s. I'm going to put those in the truck and clean this up a little bit, because I'm sick of the mess. I'm going to use that 4x6 there as a post that starts here and goes up. We'll put a railing in between there. So we cleaned up this area, put all the 4x6s in the truck, and moved the fire pit to over there. And the firewood too. So, very nice. Every bag here is filled with 13-inch pallet wood, which we'll be using on this wall. That'll happen soon. And we're saving some pallet wood in case we need more. Well, the guys are here today to replace this box. The top's okay, but the box is going to get replaced. He's over there with his little excavator. So this part of the box got replaced, and this hood was okay. So they just dug around it and balanced it and replaced it. The hood was okay, or the top. So now it should be okay. We also put these cinder blocks here to prevent people from running over it. But I think we'll put some stones around it. That'll look nicer. Those are 13 inches. We're gonna put 8 inches up next. And then, well, we're gonna do the little roof that goes up here. Yeah, they're 12 inches, but it's like an 8.5-inch span from the cement down, like right there to there is 8.5, so it'll cover it nicely. And it'll balance what's going on down here. But we're gonna put 16 inches, like a little roof, on top first. Closed off the end. It's all done. We'll have to do something else at this end. Not sure what. We're still thinking about this. So we are cleaning all of the pallet wood we put up yesterday, and then we're going to spray it with a anti-bug borax mixture. And really keep those, there's tons of ants on this yesterday, so we're hoping that'll keep them away. So we power washed it, cleaned it up real nice, and once it dries it'll lighten up a little bit, but it's looking clean and it's looking good.